To assemble your vacuum chamber, your kit will include one syringe, one 2-hole rubber stopper, 2 hex head cap screws, one spherical magnet and steel nut, 2 hex nuts, 2 Teflon O-rings, and 2 nylon standoffs. If your kit has come with a syringe which includes a plunger, the plunger may be removed from the syringe and discarded. To assemble, first take the rubber stopper and insert both screws from the wide end of the stopper through the holes. The 2 nylon insulators are then placed on the small end of the stopper over the body of the screws. This prevents a plasma discharge on the lower part of the screw. Following, 2 Teflon O-rings are placed over the screws. In a later demo, sodium hydroxide will be added to one of the nuts that goes on top of the screws. The nylon was found to be susceptible to arc tracking when in direct contact with the sodium hydroxide. The Teflon O-ring separates the sodium hydroxide from the nylon insulator and provides better insulation. 2 hex nuts are then threaded onto the screws after the Teflon O-rings. When the hex nuts are tightened down, this pulls the screws firmly up against the outside of the rubber stopper. The vacuum seal is created at the interface between the bottom of the head of the screw and the rubber surface of the stopper. For certain demos, it's required to mount a spherical magnet inside the vacuum chamber. This is accomplished with a nickel-plated steel hex nut. This may be threaded onto one of the screws, and the magnet may be stuck onto the end of the nut. The stopper assembly is then inserted into the vacuum chamber, completing assembly of this unit.